Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Sabur Nangarhare. I'm a student of Sami IELTS. I got 7.5 overall with a 9 in listening. I highly recommend you to join Students Network of Zenith Studies with Sir Sami IELTS for your IELTS. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Syed and I got overall 6.5 band and I highly recommend Sir Sami. Thank you.
My name is Aflawalam. I got 6.5 in my IELTS exam and I'm highly recommending Sami IELTS.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sheba Zahur and I got 7 band overall. And I highly recommend Sami IELTS. The experience here was very great and all the tips and tricks that Sir gave us were very helpful in the exam.
My name is Mazullah Bangesh and I have got 7 band in IELTS. 7.5 is in listening, 7 in reading, 6.5 in writing and 6.5 in speaking. All of this became possible because of the help of Sir Sami, who is teaching at the Academy Doctor of IELTS. I recommend Sir Sami and the Doctor of IELTS Academy to anyone who is trying to appear for IELTS. Thank you.
My name is Sulaiman Khan Afridi and I got 6 band overall. In listening I got 5.5, reading 6, writing 6 and speaking 6.5. And this all because of Sir Sami, Doctor of IELTS, and I all guys recommend you to, if you are interested in taking IELTS, join with Sir Sami. Thank you.
My name is Tanveer Ahmed and I am a bachelor student. I have done a bachelor in dentistry and recently I have done my IELTS preparation from Doctor of IELTS, Sami IELTS, and he recommended me. I would like to recommend you to come over here and prepare yourself for IELTS from Sami IELTS.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Jawadur Rahman. I'm a master student and I have done my IELTS from Snooze Academy with Sir Sami. I got overall 6 band and I recommend it to each and everybody that they should take guidance of Sir Sami at Snooze Academy for Doctor of IELTS.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Muhammad Salman Yaqubi, a first student, and I got 6 band overall in Sami's IELTS Academy, and I highly recommend everyone to join us Sami's IELTS Academy.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Usman Manat and I am happy because I got my IELTS result here and I got overall 7 bands. I received 8.5 bands in listening and 7.5 bands in reading. I highly recommend Sami IELTS in order to prepare for IELTS classes. Sir Sami Haq is certified and recommended training instructor by AEO Pakistan and British Council as well, and he is truly a doctor of IELTS. Thank you.
Salam Sadiq. I've studied from Sinus Academy. I am FSC. I've graduated from Engineering and my experience overall was very good here. I recommend to you all to study here for IELTS. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Tawfiq Hassan and I'm a student of Mr. Sami. If you are looking to get good marks in IELTS and you are trying to go abroad for further studies, so Sir Sami IELTS is must recommended for you because in short span of time you will get good bands. I personally secured good bands which I was designed by the grace of Allah. So it's must recommended to join Sir Sami. Thank you.
I have recently appeared in IELTS exam and I got 6.5 band. So if you are preparing for your IELTS exam, I am highly recommending this institution, Sami IELTS.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asif and I got 6 bands overall in IELTS, and I really recommend this academy to everyone who's learning to who's actually seeking to learn IELTS. So this is what I actually recommend you to come here and learn your IELTS here.